ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു ഷാർപ്സ് കെം സ്പാർക്ക്. ഈ വീഡിയോയിലൂടെ നമുക്ക് ക്വാണ്ടം കെമിസ്ട്രിയിലെ കുറച്ച് പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നോക്കാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ: ഫോർ ഹൈഡ്രജൻ ലൈക്ക് ആറ്റം വിത്ത് എ ന്യൂക്ലിയർ ചാർജ് Z, the energy of orbital with principal quantum number n follows the relation. Option A, En proportional to n square z square. B, En proportional to minus z square by n. C, En proportional to minus z by n square. D, En proportional to minus z square by n square. Answer option D, En proportional to minus z square by n square. അപ്പോൾ അതിന് റീസൺ, ഫോർ ഹൈഡ്രജൻ ആറ്റം എനർജി വിൽ ബി En equal to minus 13.6 z square by n square. The orbital with 2 radial and 2 angular nodes is option A 3p, B 5d, C 5f, D 8d. Answer option B 5d. ഇപ്പോൾ റേഡിയൽ നോഡ് കാണാനുള്ള ഇക്വേഷൻ n minus l minus 1. For 5d, n equal to 5 and l equal to 2. Therefore, radial node equal to 2. ആംഗുലാർ നോഡ് ആണെങ്കിൽ L ആണ് അതിൻ്റെ ഇക്വേഷൻ, അപ്പോൾ 2 ആണ് ആംഗുലാർ നോഡ് വരുന്നത്. സോ ആൻസർ ഈസ് ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി 5d. The energy of 2s and 2p orbitals is the same for option A lithium, B Li2 plus, C Be2 plus, D H minus. Answer option B Li2 plus. Li2 plus ion has 1 electron in 1s orbital, that is hydrogen like atom. In case of hydrogen like atom, energy of orbital depends upon the principal quantum number n, that is En proportional to minus z square by n square. Hence, for 2s and 2p orbital, energy will be the same. The degeneracy of an excited state of a particle in 3-dimensional cubic box with energy 3 times its ground state energy is option A 3, B 2, C 1, D 4. Answer option A 3. ഇനി അതിൻ്റെ റീസൺ എന്താണെന്ന് നോക്കാം. ഫോർ എ 3-dimensional cubic box, ground state energy is equal to E111 equal to 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square h square by 8ml square is equal to 3h square by 8ml square. The degeneracy of an excited state of a particle in 3-dimensional cubic box with energy 3 times its ground state energy is 3 into E111 is equal to 3 into 3h square by 8ml square, which is equal to 9h square by 8ml square. Then degeneracy equal to nx square plus ny square plus nz square h square by 8ma square equal to 9. So nx square plus ny square plus nz square is equal to 9. പിന്നെ നമുക്ക് എൻ എക്സ് എൻ വൈ എൻ സെഡിനെ ഏതൊക്കെ രീതിയിൽ നമുക്ക് അറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ നോക്കാം. ഒന്ന് 1 2 2, പിന്നെ 2 1 1, 2 2 1. സോ ഇക്വേഷൻ 1 become 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square equal to 1 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 9. All the above combination will satisfy equation 1. Hence, total degeneracy equal to 3. A particle in 3-dimensional cubic box of a L has energy of 14h square by 8ml square. The degeneracy of the state is option A 2, B 3, C 6, D 9. Answer option C 6. Reason: degeneracy equal to nx square plus ny square plus nz square h square by 8m a square equal to 9. So nx square plus ny square plus nz square equal to 9. Then nx, ny, nz നമുക്ക് 6 ടൈപ്പ് അറേഞ്ച്മെൻറ്റ് പോസിബിൾ ആണ്. ഒന്ന് 1 2 3, 1 3 2, 2 1 3, 2 3 1, 3 1 2, 3 2 1. Equation 1 become 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square equal to 1 plus 4 plus 9 equal to 14. All the above combination will satisfy equation 1. Hence total degeneracy equal to 6. The degeneracy of a quantum particle in a cubic box having energy 4 times that of the lowest energy is option A 3, B 6, C 1, D 4. Answer option C 1. Reason: lowest energy state nx, ny, nz equal to 1 1 1. Then En equal to nx square plus ny square plus nz square h square by 8ml square. Then E111 equal to 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square h square by 8ml square. Then E1 equal to 3h square by 8ml square. Given E2 equal to 4E1. So 4 into 3h square by 8ml square. Then E2 equal to 12h square by 8ml square. En is equal to nx square plus ny square plus nz square h square by 8ml square. By comparing we get nx square plus ny square plus nz square is equal to 12. Therefore nx, ny, nz equal to 2 2 2. Therefore degeneracy equal to 1. The de Broglie wavelength for a helium atom traveling at 1000 meter per second, typical speed at room temperature is option A 99.7 into 10 raised to minus 12 meter, B 199.4 into 10 raised to minus 12 meter, C 199.4 into 10 raised to minus 18 meter, D 99 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter. Answer option A ആണ്. ഇതിൻ്റെ ഇക്വേഷൻ ഗിവൺ h is equal to 6.63 into 10 raised to minus 34, m equal to 4 for helium atom, then v equal to 1000 meter per second. We know that de Broglie wavelength is equal to h by mv. Then 6.63 into 10 raised to minus 34 divided by 4 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 27 into 1000 equal to 99.7 into 10 raised to minus 12 meter. If A and B are non-commuting Hermitian operators, all eigenvalues of the operator A, B are option A complex, B real, C imaginary, D 0. Answer option C imaginary. When a hydrogen atom is placed in an electric field along the y-axis, the orbital that mixes most with the ground state 1s orbital is option A 2s, B 2px, C 2py, D 2pz. Answer option C 2py. When a hydrogen atom is placed in an electric field along the y-axis, the orbital that mixes most with the ground state 1s orbital is 2py, as magnetic field will be oriented along y-axis. A particle is constrained in one-dimensional box of a length 2a with potential v of x is equal to infinity. X less than minus a, x greater than a and v of x is equal to 0. Minus a less than or equal to x less than or equal to a. Energy difference between levels n equal to 3 and n equal to 2 is option A 5h square by 8ma square, B 9h square by 8ma square, C 9h square by 32ma square, D 5h square by 32 ma square. Answer option D ആണ്. അതിന് റീസൺ En is equal to n square h square by 8ma square, where n equal to 1, 2, 3. Energy difference between n equal to 3 and n equal to 2 is delta E equal to h square by 8ma square 3 square minus 2 square. Then delta E equal to 5h square by 8ma square. Here A equal to 2a. So delta E equal to 5h square by 8m2a whole square. Then delta E equal to 5h square by 32ma square. Spin motion of which of the following gives magnetic moment? A. Electron, B. Proton, C. Neutron. Correct answer is option A and B, B and C, C, A and C, D, A, B and C. Answer option D, A, B and C. The uncertainty in the momentum delta px of the particle in its lowest energy state is option A, delta px is equal to 0, B, delta px is equal to h by a, C, delta px is equal to h by 2a, D, delta px is equal to h by 2 pi a. Answer option B, delta px is equal to h by a. Simple Huckel molecular orbital theory. Option A, consider electron-electron repulsion explicitly. B, distinguishes cis-butadiene trans-butadiene. C, distinguishes cis-butadiene cyclobutadiene. D, has different Coulomb integrals for non-equivalent carbons. Answer option C. As for cyclobutadiene, dissociation energy equal to 0, while for butadiene, DE equal to 0.472 beta. Consider a particle confined in a cubic box. The degeneracy of the level that has an energy twice that of the lowest level is option A 3, B 1, C 2, D 4. Answer option A 3. For cubic box, En is equal to nx square plus ny square plus nz square h square by 8ml square. Degeneracy equal to 1. That is nx is equal to ny equal to nz equal to 1. Then E equal to 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square into h square by 8ml square. Then E equal to 3h square by 8ml square. If degeneracy equal to 3, nx, ny, nz 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. Then E equal to 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square h square by 8ml square is equal to 6h square by 8ml square. Hence for degeneracy equal to 3, energy will be double. ഡീജനറസിയുടെ ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യന് കാണാറുണ്ട്, അത് ചെയ്ത് തന്നെ നന്നായിട്ട് പഠിക്കുക. The energy of a hydrogen atom in a state is minus hcRh by 25, where RH Rydberg constant. The degeneracy of the state will be option A 5, B 10, C 25, D 50. Answer option C 25. For hydrogen atom, energy is given by En is equal to minus RH Z square by N square, where N equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. We know that degeneracy equal to N square. Given E equal to minus hcRh by 25 equal to minus hcRh by N square. Therefore, degeneracy N square is equal to 25. Then degeneracy of state will be 25. കൂടുതൽ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസുമായി നെക്സ്റ്റ് വീഡിയോയിൽ കാണാം. താങ്ക്സ് ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്.